Welcome back again. In today's video, I am going to show you how to turn on or off power saving mode on Android phone. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the settings menu. Once you are in settings, scroll down, find the battery option, tap to open it. After entering the battery settings, you will see the power saving mode option. Currently, it is turned off. If you want to turn it on, simply tap on the toggle switch and power saving mode will be enabled. Once power saving mode is turned on, some feature on your phone will work in a way that help reduce battery consumption, allowing your battery to last longer. When the power saving mode is enabled, you may also notice a small leaf icon next to their battery icon in the top center. You can also tap on the power saving mode option to access additional settings and customize how it works. In the customization settings, you can see which features will be turned on, turned off, or limited when power saving mode is enabled. You can also adjust different settings according to your needs. For example, you can limit the CPU speed, control certain display features, and customize other options to help save battery power. So that's how you can turn on power saving mode on your Android phone. If you decide to turn off power saving mode, simply go back to the power saving mode menu, tap on the main toggle switch at the top to turn it off. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay with us for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you everyone for watching.